The combination of these two free TradingView indicators creates a comprehensive trading system that leverages both momentum analysis and multi-time frame trend identification. Let's dive in. The first script on today's list is called RMI Trend Sniper by TZAC88. The RMI Trend Sniper is a TradingView indicator that combines the Relative Momentum Index (RMI) and Money Flow Index (MFI) to identify trending market conditions. It creates a dynamic range around the price to help traders spot potential trend changes by calculating the average of RSI and MFI values to measure market momentum. Positive momentum occurs when this average crosses above the upper threshold while staying above the lower threshold, with confirmation from a short-term moving average. Negative momentum is identified when the average drops below the lower threshold with the same confirmation. The band's width automatically adjusts to market volatility using the average true range, ATR, while small markers appear at the bottom during bullish signals and at the top during bearish signals. Additionally, the indicator changes candle colors to match the current trend. With its dynamic range calculation, the RMI Trend Sniper adapts to different market conditions, filtering out noise and highlighting significant trend changes. The Donchian trend ribbon provides a visual approach to trend identification using multiple Donchian channels with decreasing lengths. Instead of traditional channel lines, it displays trend information as a colorful ribbon of stacked columns. The core of the indicator calculates trend direction using Donchian channels. The D-channel function determines the highest high and lowest low over a set period, default 20 bars. Consistent green across all time frames signals a strong uptrend, while solid red indicates a strong downtrend. The combination of the RMI Trend Sniper and Donchian Trend Ribbon creates a comprehensive trading system that leverages both momentum analysis and multi-time frame trend identification. The Donchian Ribbon's transitional phases, mixed colors, serve as early warning signs of potential trend changes, while the RMI Trend Sniper provides precise entry timing. Together, they create a filter that helps eliminate false signals that might appear when using either indicator in isolation. For long entries, look for the RMI Trend Sniper to show positive momentum with the RMI plus MFI average crossing above the upper threshold. Blue coloration should appear in the dynamic RMI band surrounding price, while the Donchian Trend Ribbon displays consistent green across multiple timeframes, indicating a strong uptrend. Small markers appearing at the bottom of the RMI Trend Sniper chart and green candle coloration provide additional confirmation. For optimal results, enter when price breaks above resistance, with both indicators confirming during the retest. When looking for short entries, wait for the RMI Trend Sniper to signal negative momentum as the average drops below the lower threshold. Red coloration in the RMI price band should appear alongside the Donchian Trend Ribbon, showing solid red across timeframes, confirming a strong downtrend. Small markers at the top of the RMI chart signal bearish conditions, while red candle coloration reinforces the bearish signal. Maximum effectiveness comes from entering shorts when price breaks below support with dual indicator confirmation during retest. Need indicators that actually work together as a system? Check out our complete strategy breakdown next.